Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a famous social blockchain named Hive Blockchain. Hive Blockchain is the blockchain where your content is incentivized. Unlike other social media platform where there is a criteria that you have to achieve first in order to monetize your content, on Hive Blockchain you can easily monetize your content from day one. Let us understand how to join Hive Blockchain. We are on the hive.io website, and on the top right you can see join button. Click on join button. Once you click on join button, you are going to see three options. The first option is SNC, which is going to create your account based on your email or crypto wallet, and there will be an instant activation of your account. The second option is HiveDex, that costs you $0.49, and after that your account will be created. And the third option is ActiveIt. Here you are going to pay $2 and your account will be created after that. So we are going to see how to create your account for free by using SNC. Once you click on SNC, you are going to take on this page, and here you can see four different options. The first option is free account. The second option is premium account, where you have to pay $2.99, and in return you get 3 times more resource credit and 300 SNC point. You can also create an account using crypto wallet, that is MetaMask, or you can ask a friend who is already on Hive blockchain to create your account. We are going to go with the first option, which is the free account. So let's click on get free account. Once you click on get free account, you are going to be taken on this web page. Here you are going to choose a username. For example, let me write a random username, and after that you are going to be shown if that username already existed. So you can pick a different username and then choose your email address, confirm that you are not a robot. Once you click on register free, you are going to receive an email from where you have to confirm your email address, and after that SNC is going to give you the details of your account. Make sure you don't share these details with anyone, because if this password is compromised, your account can never be recovered. This is a master password that you have to copy, and once you copy it, you have to head over to wallet.hive.blog. I will leave all the important links in the description and in the comment section. So once you come on the wallet.hive.blog web page, you have to click on login. You have to enter your username and master password. After that, you are going to be taken on the web page where you can download your keys and permission. So you have to come on keys and permission section. Under that section, you are going to scroll down and see that there is a posting key, there is an active key, there is an owner key, and there is a memo key. Make sure to save all of these keys, and you can read here that all of these keys are used for different stuff. For example, posting key is used to publish a post or comment, edit a post or comment, upvote or downvote, reblock content, follow people, or mute account. Similarly, you can see the active key permissions and owner key permissions and memo key permissions. So once you have created your account, make sure to copy your posting key and come back on SNC front end. Here you can see a login option. Click on login, write your username, and after that you can continue with SNC and enter your posting password. Click on you are not a robot, and then you can successfully log in into the platform. So that's all you have to do to start your journey on Hive blockchain. You can see that our account has been created, and if you go on the trending section, you can see that there are people posting here. For example, there is a MetaMask content posted by one of the user, and you can see that they have earned $14 on it. Now I am not going to promise you that you are also going to earn similar amount, but this is the platform that open doors for you to start earning from day one. You can also explore the new section, follow people of your interest, explore top communities, and find your place on Hive blockchain. So that's all for this small video. I hope I was able to explain what is Hive blockchain and how to start using it. I'm going to share more videos on Hive blockchain because it is a big platform. There is a decentralized exchange related to Hive blockchain. There are play to earn games, and we are going to cover all of them in future videos. Stay tuned with me, and that's all for this video. Thank you, and I'm going to see you all in the next video.